Welcome in once again, everyone. I'm Gabriel. You're watching Drum Tip Tuesday, and today on our 40 Rudiments in 40 Days series, we're playing the single Ratamacue. A little bit slower. Let's do something. This is always a fun variation. Take that accent that is almost always on the upbeat and put it on the downbeat. You'll find that you have a nice easy hand-to-hand accent pattern that fits well in triplets. Let's play a solo, all right? Let's play something based loosely on the accent pattern in the three camps, but we'll just do the first. Don't want to take all day in doing this. And there you go. For more like that, and before my batteries run out, watch more videos over here.